Next we have this rectangle, so you can just simply click on that and you can actually draw a rectangle. So you can see you are getting the dimensions and all these things. Don't worry about that, just simply click here. And now if you want to make any kind of changes, you can see you can make this one 6000. I want to make this one 4000, then click somewhere here. So you can see we have draw a rectangular here. Next we have this inscribe polygon, so you can click on that and let's go here. You can see we have drawn a polygon, and you can see in inscribe polygon, the polygon sits on the inner face of the circle. You can see the polygon is sitting on the inner face of the circle like that. Just simply press escape or cancel. You can again select this, you can make changes here. You can see each of these one is individual, so that simply means you can delete any of these things. You can see here. Now next let's simply go to wall tool again, and next we have circumscribe polygon. So you can just simply click on that, and you can see in circumscribe polygon, the polygon sits on the outer face of the circle, as you can see from here clearly. And if you want to enter the radius, let's say I want to make this one of 5000, I will just simply enter 5000 and hit enter, and it will create a circumscribe polygon of radius 5000. Again you can see these lines, let me press escape. Again you can see these lines are connected, so if you want to delete, you can delete them as well, just like that. Now next we have this circle, so you can just simply draw it by specifying the center point and radius. So let me just simply specify it. Sorry, let's simply select this, and then if you want to enter the radius, or if you're happy with this one, you can just simply do it like this, and you can press escape. And you can notice that this one is divided into half, so it means that you can delete the upper half, or if you want to delete, you can delete the lower half. Next we have this start and radius arc. So you have to choose a start point, and then you have to choose an end point. Okay, and then from here you can either you can give the radius, or you can just simply make it like this. So again, if you want to change the radius, you can simply enter a value. You can see, so you can see that we are getting an error, so because of the radius. Okay, so don't worry about that, let's simply go back. Simply click here, start and end point. Now you can see, you can just simply select on that one. Now if you press escape, and if you this time select it, you want to increase the edit the length, from here you can actually edit it. 7000, you can make this one 7000. Just like that, you can make these kind of modification, and it will help you out to solve the problem. Now let's go to the next one. Next we have this center and arc. So first of all, you have to specify the center, and then you have to specify the end, and from here, sorry, specify the center, and then from here you can see you can actually draw it. You can see you can actually draw it like this. Again, if you want to make any kind of changes, you can just simply go and select it from here. Now let's go back to wall, and then we have this fillet arc. It is used to fill the corners. Okay, so for an example, let's say these are the two edges. We are looking at these two edges, so all I need is just to simply click on this one, fillet arc. I will select this point and this point, and it will create a fillet like this. You can see this just created a round corners instead of that edge. You can see. Next we have this ellipse. You can draw ellipse. Okay, let's simply close that. Let's simply go back. Ellipse. You can see we have drawn the ellipse. Then we have this partial ellipse. If you want to draw the partial ellipse, you can draw the partial ellipse as well. Then just simply go to wall. Then we have this pick lines. So with the help of this, you can actually model any line. So basically what I want to say is, let's simply go to architecture, and then just simply go to model, and here in the model you will see the model line. So let me just simply draw a line like this. So I will draw a line. Okay, and you can see that these lines are not joined at the point, so it might create problem, but don't worry about that. Now we have to go to this pick line options. So I will just simply select that, and after that you just simply need to pick the lines if you really want to draw the wall. Okay, you just simply need to pick the lines. I have just pressed escape. You just simply need to pick the line. Let's go to wall and then click on this pick line option. So now all you need is just to simply pick the lines, and it will draw the wall for you automatically. You can see. So this is how this pick line works.